Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for the Wipro Elite NTH 2022. So regarding this recruitment, the eligibility criteria, the salary structure and the test recruitment pattern. So everything I have uploaded a video the last week. So if you have not already seen that, you can go through that and then you can come for this apply video. Now link to that video is available in the description below. You can make use of it. Now in that, so I had uploaded that video before the registration date itself. So the registration link was not available during that time. Okay, now the registration is open. It was opened on 23rd. The link to apply, you can find it in the description below, and the last day to apply is 15th of September 2021, and the exam date is tentatively between 20th September to 25th of September this year. And also in that video the age limit was not mentioned, so the age limit is 25 years. So as far as the process, so first is the registration, that is what you're going to do now, and then the assessment. Okay, as I said, you can find the pattern in the other video, and then the interview, okay, what they call it as the business discussion, and then the letter of intent, which is basically a communication of confirming your recruitment with Wipro, and also they'll be disclosing the salary structure. And then finally after a confirmation, like, they'll be releasing the offer letter. So this is the evaluation process. So first, the link to apply, you click on the link to apply given below, right? Once you apply, you will get this box. Now in this box, you please enter your email ID. Email ID should be little professional, okay, with your proper name and all that. So enter your email ID, click on next. Now once you click on next, it will ask for either to register and apply or to cancel. So you just click on register, and after you enter your email ID, you click on register and apply. Now once you go inside, you will find this menu, like on your left: basic details, contact details, current recent education, previous education, internship and work experience, profile photo and documents, right? Now only after filling that is only after filling basic details, you will be able to go for the contact details and so on. Okay, so you have to go one by one, you can't skip any of the steps. So first, in the basic details, it will ask for your full name, your date of birth, gender, college. So college, either you can go via your pin code, or you can just type the first few letters, you will get the list. Okay, then your primary email address, and then you have to type the primary email address again, and then you can also give your personal email address, an alternate email address, and then the mobile number, and you have to give a strong password, then save next. Now after you do that, it will ask for verify your details. Okay, so it will display your whatever you have entered, like your name, date of birth, gender, college, primary email ID, personal email ID, mobile number and all that. So once you can confirm and then go for save next, or if you want to make any changes, just go back and edit. Then you can verify you have to verify your primary email address, okay, and the personal email address. So if you click on the verify, it will send a OTP to your mail ID, and that OTP you can enter here for verification purpose. Okay, but sometimes the initial confirmation mail releases immediately, the OTP may take some time. Okay, it depends. Then fill up the address, okay, the permanent address and the current address, and if it is same, you can just click on this, and then it will ask for a list of career plans. I'll tell you what it is, and then you have to attach your resume in the PDF format, then finally submit. Okay, now so as far as the list of career plans, so it will show you this a list. Okay, so probably you can choose anything that you want, right? And then you can upload your resume. Resume you have to upload in the PDF format. You can upload it from your drive. After that, it will ask for the current education. Okay, so in current education, so since this is a 2022 batch, you can choose like, I'm currently pursuing an education and I have not received my degree, and then your program. Okay, so BE or BTech or whatever, and then major branch, computer science or ECE, whatever, and then the batch is like you will have 2022, 2017 on all that. Okay, so you have to choose 2022, and then the current course start date. Okay, so 2018, whatever date start of the course, and then the end date. Okay, so tentative end date. After that, you can go for like your university ID or the institute registration number. Okay, and then if you are from lateral entry, if you are a lateral entry to this course, you have to click on you can tick on this checkbox. Then very importantly, it is asking whether if you have any backlogs. Okay, so if you have backlogs, you have to say yes, I have. You have to click on that checkbox, and then you have to enter the number of current backlogs and the total number of backlogs, including the ones that you have cleared. Now after that, it will also ask for the list of subjects. There is a box below which will ask for the list of subjects. So be very careful. If you don't have an arrears, no issues, you don't have to tick the box, you don't have to enter any of the details. But if you have arrear, please carefully fill it up. And then after you fill it up, then the previous education. Okay, so that is your 12th class and 10th class. Okay, so 12th class, your school board. Okay, so state board or CBSE, whatever. Okay, and of course you have to choose full time because all the courses should have been completed full time. And then your score, and then the specialization. Similarly, you can enter for your 10th class as well. Then after that, it will ask for the internship and the work experience. If you have an internship and work experience, then you can do. Okay, so though you're in the final year and all that, because of the pandemic or some reason, okay, you're not done any kind of internship and so on, okay, you can just skip it. But if you have any relevant experience, of course you can add the experience here. Relevant internship and internship and whatever you have gone through, you can enter it here. Then it will ask for your profile photo. So the profile photo, they are insisting that the background should be proper, and also your features. Okay, that is your eyes, nose. Okay, your face should be clearly visible. Okay, so basically you can go for a very good passport size photograph. Okay, so that would be better. And then save and next, right? And finally it will ask for to check, go through the disclaimer. You can just agree and apply. Finally it will give you a confirmation like this. Okay, and when you go into your login page also, it will show that you have applied for this Wipro Elite NTS 2222 drive. Okay, right? So that is all as the information I have in this video. If you have any questions, please do post your questions in the comment section below. We'll be soon uploading the aptitude and reasoning videos, and for other section also we are making some alternate arrangements. So please do subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed. If you like this video, click on the like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.